Hey you guys, I'm making potatoes and pea samosa. It's a very popular Indian street food and some of you have mentioned it as well. It's also in my new book Chaat Chutney, which is out now. I wanted to show you this because it's the trick of folding it and getting the folding right. So I'm going to get started with the dough first. I have got 200 grams of plain flour to start with and half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Now this is what makes the pastry really flaky and crispy. Just give it a quick mix, and what we need to do is, like any other pastry, we're trying to make kind of breadcrumb texture. And it needs very little water to bring it together as a dough. So I would say around 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. And like always, add little at a time because you might not need all of it. Just on a clean surface, we'll need it for a minute or so just to smoothen it out really. And that is how the dough should look. It's quite smooth, and we leave it in the same bowl, cover it with cling film and let it rest for 15 minutes before we get to the filling. Dough is resting and I'm going to give the job of making the filling to someone else while I look after this little monkey. Alpa, my sister, is going to make the filling and then we're going to do the rolling.
For the quick filling, we've got just about 1 tablespoon of oil. We do have some chopped green chilies. You can skip those if you don't want to add that extra spice. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, amchur, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon garam masala. Just give that a quick mix. I've got about 5 boiled potatoes chopped, about 100 grams of frozen green peas to that. You could mash the potatoes a little bit so that all the spices are soaked in really well. Makes it for a smoother filling. Let it cook for about 5 minutes till the potatoes have soaken up all those lovely spices. Let's leave it to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes.
So the dough has been left for 15 minutes and we are making 12 portions of the dough, kind of equalish. Samosas is the kind of thing you need lots of hands because it just makes it more fun and quicker, definitely quicker.
We're going to roll these out for about 5 inches.
So I'm just going to slice this into 2. They're going to be really small mini dosas, but obviously you can make them as big as possible. Just putting water on one side, folding it in and making a nice cone shape. Just filling it with 1 spoonful of the mixture, and again with the water, trying to seal this in and pinch it, and here is your samosa ready. And the children are back. That's been a fun video.
Of course. You want to roll those out? Do you want to roll those out?
No. Twist it. That's it. Just hold it in your hand quickly. That's brilliant. That is brilliant, Sia.
Can I do it better than open Marcy? I finished before you.
How entertaining is that?
And then seal and seal. We've got more help. Big boss is here.
Baby boss.
And they're just watching me do all the hard work.
Oh yeah.
So once all your samosas are ready, we're going to heat some oil and we're going to fry them on medium to low heat, not very high heat, because otherwise they'll be all soggy and you want them nice and crispy. So we have got the house full because samosa is one of our favorites, and we have got everyone visiting. So yes, we are ready to dig in, and I have got some tamarind chutney from the book as well, and some coriander and mint chutney. Both the recipes are in the book, and you can find some of the recipes on the channel as well. So dig in. Oh my god, this is so good. Even she's enjoying it. Oh my god, that has to be a big thumbs up, guys. Seriously.
And I learned how to make samosas.
Absolutely delicious.
It's been an amazing day. Sorry if the video is really noisy, lots of kids shouting in the background, but I don't get a chance where my mom and my sister are visiting at the same time, so I had to make a video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please do give this a go.
Yeah.
What did you want to tell them? Give us a thumbs up. Say
Subscribe!
yay! And I'll see you next week.
And I wanted to tell you I wanted to always be in a wig.
See you next week. Bye for now.